Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming power and essential connections so readings are reliable. First, make sure the battery is above 20% or that a stable 5V supply is connected. Power fluctuations change accuracy. Once done, attach the probe and secure the mount so the sensor remains fixed. Turn the indicator on and wait the 30-60 second warm-up to stabilize internal circuits. This reduces drift. Make sure the display shows the baseline or 0 before proceeding so your first measurement is valid. You now focus on zeroing and calibration because accuracy depends on both. First, use the built-in 0 function or apply a known 0 reference and confirm the display reads 0. This removes offset errors. Then calibrate using a standard reference value, enter the numeric reference like 100, 0, and follow the unit's prompts to complete the 2-point or single-point routine. Make sure to set the desired scale and units, then save settings to non-volatile memory so your calibration persists after power cycles. You finish by taking measurements and ensuring consistency in results. Perform 3 repeat readings and average them when needed. This reduces random noise and gives you confidence. If you notice drift or readings that jump, re-zero immediately, and if unresolved, repeat the calibration routine. Make sure to check wiring, grounding, and probe connections. Intermittent contacts mimic sensor faults. If instability persists, replace batteries or swap to a regulated supply. This often solves power-related errors and restores reliable output.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.